Hello, and welcome back to my channel. This is Damsels and Dragons DPing, and I'm here with a Magical Mail Monday. So, I've got some fun pen mail and some gem mail here, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into these packages. This first one is from Randa's Crafty Corner, and I just cannot stop buying her putties. They smell so good. So here we've got mango, spiced latte, cheesecake and berries, and I had another one mixed up in my papers, oatmeal cookie dough. So these come in a little baggie between 2 sheets of release paper, and I really like these because they come flattened, so they are so easy to load into a single placer or a multi-placer. You just push down into the putty, and they work really well, and they smell so good. So it's just that little piece of yum while you're diamond painting. Just make sure not to eat your putty. Smells good, but don't actually taste it. All right, this next one, I've got this big old package from DP with Sparklers. All sorts of fun stuff. I like to dress up my diamond paintings, color outside the lines a little bit, change up what's charted. So this next one I'm doing has all sorts of pinks in it, so I just went a little bit crazy with like all the different pink ABs. I was like, oh, I'll figure out how to put them in there. And then what I don't use them in, I'll use on something else. Ooh, I love those neon jellies. So fun. And these can be kind of see-through on dark letters, but the AB coating does help with that with the jellies. She did send me a little thank you wax and a washi tape. I think that's a sticker maybe. Here is a sample of Mary Mud, which is another, they do diamond painting putty. And I've just been waiting for some restocks on those. Last time I checked, they just didn't have a lot, so I decided to try some of these bigger gems this time. So these are pearls. So I believe these are supposed to be, I thought they were 4 round spaces, but now I'm not totally positive on that because they look a little smaller than that. And then these 6mm bling gems. These neon bling gems. Like I said, all sorts of crazy with all sorts of pinks. Just all the things pink for Valentine's Day. I am going to be doing a Valentine's whip and chat, so be watching for that. I know I haven't done a whip and chat here now in a few weeks. Oh, look at all the fun pinks. Okay, I also had to get the whole set of round glitter gems. I love these glitter ones. I used some of the squares of these on my last diamond painting. These are the rounds, and they're like a jelly, and then they have this gold glitter. I love that dark deep pink. We've got a dark green, lime green, this kind of bright purple, and then there's that more like light purple. I've got this kind of orangish or salmon color. There's an even brighter orange. I'm just going to throw them all over. It'll be all good. Let's see. Red, kind of a peach, green. They do have these, all the glitters individually. And then last I checked, obviously when I ordered these, they had this big old set. I love that dark purple too. Super bright yellow, and then this dark blue. So obviously this set is like a really good deal. They do have them in round and squares. Like I said, I did get some of the square colors that I used in my last diamond painting. And then I do rounds, I think a bit more. So I decided I needed all the rounds. All right, some pen mail. So this is from Poshy Pens. They do their drops on Facebook. I will link that. They do almost daily, like through the weekdays, I believe. They are right to buy. They do some stuff with customs. I have not been able to get in on that yet. They take like the first 20. They'll do a post at the beginning of the month. So more pretty pink. This is like ultimate Valentine's Day painting pen right there. I love this cut right here where it's a little bit thinner and then has this flared tip. I have probably 3 or 4 of their pens now that have that kind of shape to them. And I love it. I love that gold glitter that's in there. Honestly, the camera just doesn't even do that pen justice. It is so pretty. And then this is pens. These are from O'Brien Custom Turning. You can order from them on Etsy. I will link that, but they also have a Facebook. So I got these through a Facebook one. It does take them a little bit longer. These were kind of, I ordered them pre-Christmas, but it did, you know. So these did come with, because of who turned the blanks, some of them came with included cover minders. So I've got that pretty little unicorn, this cute little reindeer, and this butterfly. So they buy blanks from some different people, or they'll show the blank drops and then you can claim the blanks and then they'll turn the pens. They have quite a few different styles you can pick. A lot of these, I think I just picked Turner's Choice. I think that one right there is the bow tie shape. And it was these pretty purple snowflakes. And I like that. That's a, it's like not too thick. It's got a good grip to it. And then because I'm just a crazy single placer, I did get singles on all of these. But they do, I mean, offer multis, obviously. This one, I loved these colors, these swirls. Again, that was a Turner's Choice. They have an album of shapes you can pick from. This one I do remember I picked. This one is also the bow tie, but this one is like a more rounded end. So this one comes to kind of more a point. Like if you look at them, this one's a little more of a rounded, but they're both that bow tie shape if you look at them, where they've got the bump in the middle. Everybody was dropping all these snowflake ones at Christmas, and I was like, oh, I need all the snowflakes. So now I have about a bajillion wintry pens. So this one I decided is going to be a gift for a very special someone because the snowflakes in it are blue. That's their favorite color. That's another Turner's Choice, but I think that she'll like that one because this end is thinner. This end is a bit thicker, so depending on what she decides she likes, I feel like that pen will still work really well for her. And then it's got this little bump and a bigger bump, and it's just super pretty. It looks like almost like it has like a lace running through it with the snowflakes. I don't know exactly what it is, but that's what it reminds me of. So, fun pen mail, gem mail, and of course, awesome smelling putties. I will link all of these down below. I hope you enjoyed joining me today. If you have not already subscribed, I hope you'll consider doing so. And as always, please push that like button. And if you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, say hello, feel free to do so. Until next time, thanks. Bye.